Hi there, this is Gabby with another video about Money Robot. In this case, let's talk about ChatGPT. Uh, you know, I'm not gonna explain you how to use it because you got a lot of videos or course or whatever about ChatGPT. What I want to show you how to use it with Money Robot. Don't worry, in our really soon we're gonna get a ChatGPT connect to a model robot. But for now, we can use it totally apart. This question is from one of our users. Okay? Okay, let's talk about it. It's really simple. I will put it down there. This is the way you can ask them. Could you please write human writing? I don't know if that is correct, but let's see. 100 unique SEO optimized article about the benefit of healthy diet, but I will add it in spin syntax form. Let's try. We're doing this together. I'm going now. Okay. Guys, the plans are now different. I think there's a $9. I don't know if you got any free version or not. You don't need to do it with GT4. You can do it with a regular GPT 3.5. I think that one is still for free. I don't know. I use a paid version, a small one. Oh, it's not really a big one. Now they're having like $700 membership. That's crazy. Okay, let's do this. Let's copy here. Could you please write an article in a spin tap font? Okay, really simple. Then click. You see, this is beautiful. That's all you need to ask them. I'm not gonna put it continue because makes no sense. Then this is the title. We're going here, click on new campaigns, click here, article title. They go back here and grab the rest of the content. And put it here. Okay? Now, the other question they're going to ask me, hey, Gabby, how are we going to handle the URLs and the keywords? We have two ways to do it. Remember, always to handle, this is good to have the account. Remember, click on the advanced accounts, create a new one, or take one of you already have. And here, let's see url.com health plan. An example, okay, guys? And then we're gonna healthy diet. Let's put this one like one of the keywords. Eating nutrition foods, following a balance. Nutrition food, just an example. Okay. Oh, okay. And here, let's do this. If we are previewing, remember you got here the genetic. Usually, if we are talking about tier 1, I don't put it less than 40. And here I leave the click here, more, blah, blah. And also usually put a naked URL, like url.com or URL. Okay, an example. Save. Okay, if we go and do previous, you will see here in middle of the um because you didn't put it like the other way, you know, just randomly. But if you prefer to have it like, hey, no, Gabby, I don't want it like that, definitely I prefer to have it the way, under my control. Go ahead and go to grab this one, and you will need to put a little more effort. And in here, you're going to add it with HTML, okay? And put it anywhere you want it. Remember, if we have this one, starting from this, that's the name in English. Oh, don't remember, sorry. Um, every time we open this one, as we will end, all inside of this, remember, it's going to be changed every time. A healthy diet, eating healthy, following a nutrition eating plan. All those three are going to be changed every time. If you want to use this area to put your URL and your keyword, okay, with the anchor text, you will need to add in each one of the possible changes, okay? One moment. Let me get the right information. That way you can see the whole process. And let's see where we're going to put it. Okay, let's talk about if we are going to put it here, okay? Remember, this is the way to do it on HTML. Don't try to enter JavaScript or something like that, because if you do it, it's going to be an error, or it's going to be a URL pending or something like that. You are not going to get what you need or what you want. Okay, in here, this is where I want to put some, and I added here healthy diet. And then here, I told you guys, I took this one, and the only thing I need to do is go ahead and change the anchor text. And if I'm working with the same URL, just grab it here and go ahead and put it here. The way I'm showing you how to do it here first and then add in here eating plan. The other one is less math, or if you use an editor, HTML or something like that, go ahead and do it. This is really simple to do it. I don't think you need it. Just grab the way you are gonna work with the anchor text and the URL and replace it. That's all. Now, if we do this, let's show now. Okay? We are here. We are putting none. We don't need to put it here either. And then on here, let's go and put no link. Okay, this is really important. If you are cloning this campaign, you will need to do the generic again, the percent, and the non-link. This is something you are not really automatically. It's not for default. The default is 90%, and the default for link is 1. All these are going to change on the new update. Maybe in a couple months, we're going to have a lot, or new updates are going to be amazing. Okay, let's do this. Now we go and do preview. Here's spin again. Here is ping again. Here is ping again. You see, on your first paragraph, the keywords you want to work with a URL you want to work with. It's really simple. I hope this is helping you guys. I hope our user who asked for how to do it, this is exactly what you need. Let me know if you want any video or you have any question on the common area. And until the next one.